And last but not least, everything you've done so far, a linear, a quadratic, a cubic, and an exponential regression model, you've done that for the infant mortality rates of infants. Now I want you to go back and do all of that stuff over again. But now I want you to do it for population, total. This is what the exact thing will be in the series back in the World Data Bank. So what you could do, we could go back to our World Data Bank. Go back to here. And if you still have this up, you could keep using this. So I had Afghanistan, and now I can go, if your infant mortality is still highlighted, you'll need to deselect it. But now I can go to population, scroll down, population. Now I just need to find the right population, and I see it. There's population, comma, total. And then go grab, again, the last 50 years worth. And then say apply changes. It'll load all your data here. And again, go to download options, data on this page only formatted. And now you've got your new Excel file that you can go copy the data, put it into Plotly, and do all the same stuff we just did for the infant mortality rates. Okay? When you're done with that, you can go back up to series. You could deselect population total, and then go find, again, the other one that I want you to find was called renewable internal freshwater resources per capita in cubic meters. So I'm going to select R and scroll down, probably just a little bit here. So renewable internal freshwater resources per capita cubic meters is this one. Make sure you don't select the one that's right below it, that is total in billion cubic meters. And then you just want to make sure you say apply changes. My country was still selected and it still had the last 50 years. And one thing you'll notice here is they don't have records of every year of their renewable freshwater data. So whatever data they include, that's fine. Okay, it's obviously not going to give you every year, but we're going to take whatever data that we can use with. And again, at this point, you can say download options, data on this page only formatted, and go do the linear, the quadratic, the cubic, and the exponential regression models. And again, take all the screenshots, include them in your Google Docs, copy down what the equations are, what your prediction would be for the year 2050, and in what year would you expect there to be 0 of each of those three things: infant mortality, 0 population, and 0 renewable freshwater. And hopefully I've covered everything there. If you have any questions, please let me know.